Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here. Got this cool new old stock Abyss padlock. What I thought was pretty neat was made in Taiwan. Interesting. Well, let's check it out together. Here we go. It's an 8045. Look at that key. Some pretty interesting bitting on there. Works like a charm. Beautiful lock. I have taken this apart once, and it's pretty cool to take it apart. You go down inside here. I guess I could show you guys real quick. You press this little pin in. It's all going to blow apart, so I don't know if I'll put it back together on camera, but it's kind of funny. Just got to press that in, and while you're pressing in on that, you got to kind of pull down on the core as well. Like I said, I knew it was going to do that. The exploding lock. But pretty cool. And you could take that, rekey it, change it out. Let me grab that shackle real quick. Okay, so, geez, it went distance. Couple ball bearings down inside there. Yeah, we'll see if we can get this back together at a reasonable time here for you guys. Should be able to. Let's see, put that in there, hold that in. Drop this other ball bearing in. Gotta get the shackle in here. Drop this back down in there. Grab my handy dandy key. I think I gotta lock it now. Oh, the ball bearings probably popped that. There's probably somebody out there is like, "You're doing it wrong, man." Here we go. Bam. And it's back together working. Check that out. Pretty cool. A little different than your regular one without the screw in there. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Kind of a new old stock. Interesting Abyss. Have a good one, everyone. Like and subscribe for more. Stay tuned.